Glenn here, back again with another RopeRage video. So it's been a while, I know that, and what I wanted to do with these first few videos is to literally go through comments from the past 6 months. As many of you know, I've been out dealing with injuries that have screwed me over for a little while. I've been taking the time out to work on them. So I'm going to go through the comments of the past 6-7 months. And for some of the comments, there are specific things people want help on, people want to work on. I'm your boy. We're going to work on it. So for today, we have this comment about double unders. And it really makes sense to look at alternative ways to work at things when you're restricted by injuries. And some of these I've done myself when I've had injuries. So this video, we're going to be looking at 4 different ways you can work around double unders. If the double under is a technique you really want to get, but injuries are preventing you from getting there, I understand that. There are some things you can do to work around it in the meantime. It's not quite the double under yet, but we're going to look at 4 different drills you can do that address the same muscle groups without the heavy impacts that double unders can sometimes have. So without further ado, let's crack straight into it. First thing, I want you to take a look at this clip, and I want you to notice that I'm doing 2 types of double unders here. You've got the short and quick double unders, and then you've got the tall, slower double unders. Now take note of this because this is going to be important later in the video. And in fact, I did post a video about this on the Instagram and the TikTok pages.
There's 2 types of people in this world.
2 types of people in this world, either you broke or you not. Don't let them tell you there's an in between, that line you can stop. 2 types of people in this world, either you cold or you hot. Stay frozen, locked down in that box, I blow up and hit the top. Pick your spot, I gotta blow, I gotta count me and not. I'm tired of shaking in the cold, wiping off my snot. I gotta get up on my feet, walk, run, don't stop. Cause if you let them kill your dreams, you sitting under a rock. Pick your spot. Pick your spot. Pick your spot.
And if you are not on the Instagram and TikTok pages at this point, what the hell are you doing? Get on there. The handles are down below. These YouTube tutorials can take a while to put together and to get them out because I like these to be more in-depth and more detailed, but there will be more frequent, shorter, quicker, snappier videos going out on Instagram and TikTok especially, so make sure you're on there. The first drill you can do if you've got knee pain issues and you want to work up towards the double under is very simple, by far the easiest of the 4 drills we're going to do, and it's to do tall single unders. So get some single unders down at your regular pace and slow them right down. You want to really engage on the jump. The benefit of this is for a taller jump, you need more of a knee bend. So you're getting more blood flow into the knee, but you're still springing up higher to allow that hang time in the air. And this way you're working on strengthening that calf muscle, working through that knee pain without having to have the heavier impact. Easy as that. Get your regular single unders in and then do some taller single unders. Taller and slower. Get as tall and as slow as you can. With this one, you're not trying to go for speed or anything like that. You are going for better muscle engagement in the calf, better knee bend, more flexion in the knee. And let's not forget, this is effectively a double under jump. You're jumping pretty much as you would for a double under, but you just don't have the 2 quicker rope rotations, and it's less of an impact as you bounce each time with each jump. The second one, this one has a lot of names. Some people call it the bell, some people call it the in and out. But what you're doing here is you're changing your single under from jumping on the spot to stepping in and out with each jump. Hopping forward, hopping backward with each jump. Why is this beneficial? Contrary to a single under, in which you're just springing up and down, you're having to move forward and move backward. So in that lower leg, you're activating muscles in the calf and you're activating more muscles around the shin area as well. This is all focused on working that lower leg area. Number 3, just as we've done it in and out, you can do the same left and right. This one is often called the ski jump because it resembles a skier sloping down a hill. I prefer this one and I'll tell you why. With the single under jump, you're jumping up and down. With the in and out, you're jumping up and down, although forward and backward. But with the ski jump, because you're jumping left and right, you're activating those calf muscles along the side as well. So I would say this is a brilliant one to do because you're getting more bang for your buck. You're working a more well-rounded calf muscle area while you do this. So definitely get on this one too. And as a side note, for those of you who are at a point where you don't have any injuries, you don't have any issues and can meet the challenge, you can do these two with double unders as well. You might remember this video. Ten different double under variations that was posted on this channel a little while ago, and you can do the ski jump with the double under as well as the in and out sort of bell step with the double under as well. You will feel that burn, I'm telling you from now, just know that. Feel free to click that link up in the corner, have a look through those techniques and try those out too. Let me know how you get on. My calves were done the next day. I didn't actually expect it because I don't normally do all of these techniques in one session, although I wanted to do it for the video. It was a true burner. Lower legs were done the next day. Let me know how you get on with these as well. Moving on though, fourth and final technique you can do if you're struggling with knee pain and you can't do the double unders, but you want to work those knees to get to a point where you can do those double unders, is single leg single unders. So just like in the first one, you've got your single unders, but the variation we want to do with this is you want to go on one leg. Do however many you want. It could be 5 on the left leg, 5 on the right, whatever you feel comfortable with. The reason why we're doing this is you will notice that you feel much more weight on the calf muscle area. For a regular single under, your body weight is distributed between the two legs. But for a single leg single under, you've got your whole body weight on one leg, your whole body weight on one set of calf muscles, your whole body weight on one knee. So this is why I say work it up. You could do 2 on one leg, 2 on the other, 5, whatever you feel comfortable with. What we're working at here is really trying to strengthen, really trying to build. Okay, that's that. So in summary, very important note, consistency. If this is really what you want to do, if you really want to use these drills to work up, to overcome knee pain, to overcome any lower leg issues that you're having, we've got to be consistent. It has to be a routine, it has to be a regimen. So if it is 10 minutes a day cycling through these, whatever makes sense for you. Some people are busier than others. Some people can get a 30-minute session every day. Some people can get a 10-minute session every day. Try and get the consistency of it because that's what the muscles need. They need that repetition. But to go over them again, the first we had was the single under with a much taller jump. Much more muscular engagement in the lower leg, as well as much more of a knee bend. That flexion in the joint will do wonders for the knee, with consistency of course. The second is the in and out single under, springing forward, springing backward with each repetition. The third is a left and right single under, the ski jump, springing left and right, pushing off, engaging those lateral muscles of the calves on either side. The fourth and final is the single leg single under. Very straightforward, have a practice with it. One thing I recommend, start without the rope first and just work on the jumping if you're ever getting stuck. If you truly are a lunatic, you can do all 4 of these drills in cycles, get that in your routine, work that through. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope this helps you out. Let me know down below what you think of this format of video. I will, as I said, be going through comments of the past 6-7 months, digging out problem areas for some of you guys and helping you out in whatever way I can. For any suggestions for future videos, as always, drop them down in the comments. It's always a pleasure for me to chat with you guys in the comment section and just to see how your training's been getting on. Other than that, I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to check out this video. I hope it helps you out. And until next time, all the best with your training and stay raging.
Stop.